the PS5, the successor to the PS4. Let's get into the video. At the front of the PS5, there's a Type A port, a Type C port, an eject button for the Blu-ray player, and the power on button. The plastic in front of the PS5 is glossy and it's fingerprint magnet. At the side, you can also see the Blu-ray player because this is not the digital only version, so you have to put your game disc in order to play games on this PS5. At the back of the PS5, you have two USB-A ports, the 10GB per second Ethernet port, the HDMI port, and the power in port. You can also see the grill at the back for air intake to cool down the PS5 while gaming. The sides are relatively empty except from the right side that has the PS logo on it. Getting to the specs of the PS5, it comes with a 7nm AMD Zen 2 CPU clocked at 3.5 GHz. It also has a custom GPU based on the AMD RDNA 2 architecture. The PS5 comes with two pools of RAM, the main 16GB GDDR6 RAM and the secondary 512MB DDR4 RAM. It also has an internal storage which is 825GB SSD but only has a usable space of 667GB. You can also connect your external hard drive and play your PS4 games or PS5 games or from your hard drive. With the help of the HDMI 2.1 port at the back, the PS5 supports displays of up to 4K 120 frames per second or 8K 60 frames per second depending on the type of display or TV you have, but it also supports lower resolutions of 1080p, 720p as the case may be. This stand that is used to hold the PS5 upright can also be used to lay the PS5 on its side, just like this. Stranded in the open. An integral part in any PlayStation experience are the game pads. This PS5 comes with a DualSense controller, which is a massive upgrade from the DualShock 4 which the PS4 came with. Some of the added new features on the PS5 controller are the built-in microphones in the pad and also adaptive triggers. If you play action games like Call of Duty or Hitman, you really experience this feeling when you are shooting at your opponents or your targets. The controller also has inbuilt battery which you can charge with the USB-C port in front, or you can also charge it wirelessly with the wireless charging dock. If you are liking this video, by the way, a subscription to the channel will be very much appreciated. The black pad didn't come off the box with the PS5. I had to get it separately so that I can have two pads to play multiplayer games with my siblings. The PS5 does not come cheap at all. At launch, it costs around $500, but in Nigeria, be sure to spend well above $500,000 just to get the console and a single pad. If you factor in the price of game and other accessories, this PS5 starts to get kind of expensive. Just a side note, this PS5 is very huge and it cannot fit in everybody's setup, but for me, I really love the design and everything. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. My name is Wanchuku, this is Service Pro, and I'll see you in the next video.